light spills through the window pane. A furry chef with a whisper twitch refrain. Paws knead the dough, tail flicks the air. A perfect recipe for joy to share. Salmon sizzles in a golden haze. Herbs pirouette in a thyme-stained daze. Clinking pots hum a clattering tune. The kitchen glows like a honeymoon. The whiskers waltz where the spices play. Dancing through clouds of flower today. Simmering dreams in a copper pot. A purring heart where the magic's caught. Paw prints trace on the checkered floor. A whisker twirls to the oven's roar. Butter swirls in the cinnamon breeze. Paws toss joy like autumn leaves. The pan flips high with the grinning flare. A tail curve catch midair, sprinkling stars from a parsley sky. This kitchen's where the world feel right. Cloths tap rhythms on marble beat. A whisker stirs laugh sweet, so sweet. Sizzle and sting waltz hand in paw. I'm Yao Chan Den to the culinary draw. Whiskers waltz where the spices play. Dancing through clouds of flower today. Simmering dreams in a copper pot. A purring harp where the magic's caught.